my name is Mildred.
Medyo dumidilim.
At, ano?
Okay lang, okay lang.
At ako ay isang domestic helper dito sa Singapore, sa mga hindi nakakala. But soon, I'm going back to Philippines. So today, gagawa ako ng video about sa behind the scene of YouTuber. So, magtatanong si Joe Hernandez behind my camera. Magtatanong siya ng mga question about sa mga YouTuber.
What camera are you using?
My camera is G7X Mark II.
Yeah. Ayun na yan? Number 2, ang tipid. Number 2, what editor are you using?
I'm using Powerdirector Pro apps.
Lupit ano? Cellphone.
Yeah, I'm using the Powerdirector Pro apps. Ever since yun ang ginagamit ko.
Do you feel awkward filming with co-YouTuber?
Sometimes yes, but eventually kapag natagalan na, hindi na ako nahihiya. Medyo ko lang kapal-kapal na yung face nila kapag natagalan na. So hindi na ako nahihiya.
Sino? Saan yung nawala?
Commercial. Nainit ko ano.
Ito na, hoy.
Commercial muna tayo.
Hoy, hoy.
Go.
How did it feel to make your first video?
How did it make I feel? Ano bang naramdaman ko?
Ikaw ba'y natatain?
Ano? Basta, gusto ko lang gumawa ng video para maging isang YouTuber, para maging isang sikat na YouTuber camera.
Did you show anyone your first video before you uploaded it?
No, because I'm always alone inside my room. Alam nga na may pakita ko sa alaga ko. Yeah, I didn't show to anyone before I uploaded.
Do your friends and family know about your channel?
My family, my sister only. My friend, friend ko lang dito sa Singapore.
Some of them.
Some only, some.
Next question. Are any of your friends and family subscribed to your channel?
My sister, yes. My one sister only. My friend, some also.
Okay. Very good answer. Next question. Did anyone think you were crazy for being a YouTuber?
Sometimes, yes. Kasi kapag nag-vlog ka sa labas, pinagtitinginan ka nila. Oh, ano ginagawa nito? Bakit nagsasalita ko? Eh, hindi nila alam na kinakausap ko kayo, di ba? That's all.
That's all. Thank you.
That's all. Thank you.
Next question. How and why did you choose your YouTube channel name?
Kasi po, yung YouTube name ko is Romajane. Si Romajane is my daughter. Kaya yun ang napili ko kasi mas madali siyang matandaan. That's all.
That's all. Thank you.
Thank you.
Next is, what have you gained from being a YouTuber?
Marami! Napakadami! Marami first. Number 1 na nag-gain ko sa pagiging YouTuber is marami akong naging kaibigan. Especially yung dito sa Singapore. Sila, gusto nyo isa-isahin ko pa. Sila si Vilma.
Sabi mo lang group chat. Nasa group chat.
Yung group chat namin na small YouTuber ikikulabugan yan. Tapos, ang isa ko pang nag-gain, isang beses ko lang namang nag-gain, nagsahod na po ako. Yeah. Kung hindi dahil sa inyo, kung hindi nyo ako pinapanood, hindi ako sasahod. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
Very good, Wilma. Very good, Mildred.
Next.
Are you interested in doing giveaways?
Nagawa ko na. Nagawa ko na.
So, hindi ka na mamibigay uli?
Mamimigay ako ulit.
Pag nag 1M?
Kapag gagawa ulit ako kapag sumahod na ulit ako. Promise.
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 Okay, very fun.
Promise.
Okay, next question. Do you allow subscribers to send you gift?
Of course. Padalhan nyo ako. Parang awa nyo na. Parang awa nyo na. Nagmakaawa. Hindi pa niya kasi.
How How do you choose your topics?
Wala lang, kung ano lang maisip ko. Kapag may time, ganyan. Pero normally, kapag Sunday, meron na talagang topic yan, vlog.
Okay. Ito, have you ever uploaded the wrong video?
No, I never have.
Okay. Madali lang ako kausap. Next question. Next question.
Okay.
Which do you prepare? Filming alone or filming with others in the room?
Filming alone. Kasi kapag alone ka, makaka-concentrate ka sa topic mo. At saka kung meron mga awkward moment, ikaw lang yung nakakaalam.
Okay. Next question.
That's all guys, nasagot ko na yung mga behind the scene of a YouTuber. Sana nagustuhan nyo ang video na to, and kung nagustuhan nyo, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel.